Hi guys, welcome to another 2-day video of tutorial. Hope are you fine and well. Before start the video, it is my request to you subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon for more videos and information. Dear friend, I select a shape and these shapes are amazing and beautiful. Dear friend, go to color option, change the color of the shape. Now go to sticker option again and pick a shape like this. The shape are amazing.